Here we are at the entrance to Peekaboo Gulch.
Oh, but it's not
It's
that.
it's not Peekaboo Gulch, Dad.
fun.
It's Earwax Gulch. Is that a video?
Thank you. Yes.
Can I
Hi.
stop talking?
Oh my gosh! So cool.
God, it's so small.
Can you get it, Alex?
Yeah. We got through more than this rock canyon. Yes.
Nice job. We're still in Peekaboo, and we got kind of a tight little spot here. We might be leaving Justin with bread and water.
I have all the water and warm clothes. Don't leave me.
Going through the upper part of Peekaboo.
The tall short bear.
Yeah. Now we are in Spooky Gulch. And, oh my god! It's a goblin!
Hey look, more Native American kids are on.
Yeah. I will say the craziness.
Hey, Mike.
Alright.
I think I can see this way pretty easily.
Yeah?
Yeah.
Alright.
Hate
I
the
could
sound.
help kids get down here, but let me make sure it goes through, okay?
Yes. I can see where you get to pretty easily here. Like on a
That looked tight for an adult.
I think, well, under this rock, that way, it opens up.
Okay.
Right where I am is tight.
Yeah, okay.
Tape it down in my face. Cool.
Alright. This is Spooky Gulch. And as you can see, it's kind of snug in here. This is a really tight part of Spooky Gulch.
I put so much stuff there.
This is crazy.
We'd have a couple minutes.
A couple minutes. We'd have to like